Welcome to the Pro Cut AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to add B-roll to your video in Pro Cut AI. Once you upload your video from local, your auto captions will be generated. Now click on B-roll. You can customize your captions for B-roll. Just click on Auto B-roll. And your AI-powered auto B-rolls will be ready.
Yeah, there's this big question of how do you do age verification? And I can tell you what the easiest way is, which is all right, every time you go do a payment on your phone, there already is child.
Thanks for watching the video.